For the past 8 years, Nigel Lockyer has guided America's premier particle physics lab into the future, securing the lab's spot at the forefront of research. He brought to the lab decades of experience in physics and in building the partnerships big science now requires. Nigel earned his undergraduate degree in physics from York University and his PhD from Ohio State. He joined the University of Pennsylvania in 1984, where he partnered with the medical school to work on applications of particle physics in cancer treatment. He also began his work on CDF, one of Fermilab's Tevatron experiments that would go on to co-discover the top quark. In 2007, and for the next 6 years, he served as the head of TRIUMPH, Canada's National Particle Physics Lab. During his tenure, the lab expanded operations and secured several important international agreements. Then, in 2013, Nigel was tapped to lead Fermilab, where he was charged with overseeing a powerful complex of particle accelerators and sophisticated experiments to study the nature of matter, energy, space, and time. Today, thousands of scientists from around the world use Fermilab facilities for their research.
Nigel has been absolutely instrumental in guiding and realizing the U.S. vision for hydrogen particle physics. He's put Fermilab and the whole U.S. hydrogen physics program on an exciting path. Nigel helped realign the lab's mission with the U.S. strategic plan for particle physics research. Because of him, Fermilab has emerged as a global powerhouse in accelerator technology and neutrino science, with the vision and capabilities to do research on an enormous scale.
Thanks to Nigel's leadership, Fermilab is in the midst of building DUNE, the Deep Underground Neutrino Experiment. This flagship neutrino experiment has brought international support, with more than 1,000 collaborators from over 30 countries. It will use the world's most intense neutrino beam, created by an upgraded accelerator complex that will power the next 50 years of Fermilab discovery. The lab also undertook major projects to advance cutting-edge technology for accelerators around the world, including the LHC at CERN and the LCLS2 X-ray laser at SLAB.
Nigel has overseen impressive science and technology results at Fermilab. We've launched the IARC Tech Transfer Program. We've had exciting first results from NOVA, Yuan G-2, Microboon, Accelerator Science Experiments, and the Dark Energy Survey. Fermilab is leading one of the 5 national quantum research centers, working with other labs and partners.
Nigel represents the very best of the National Lab Directors. I've had the privilege of working with Nigel in putting together a successful quantum science center. Could not have achieved it without Nigel's leadership and partnership. But perhaps the most important thing that Nigel has done is that he has cultivated a culture of excellence at Fermilab, positioning the laboratory well into the future.
Now, as Nigel steps down, he leaves Fermilab ready for a new era of exploration, with the foundation, tools, and partnerships needed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe.
Thank you for your strong commitment to the partnership between Fermilab and CERN and to international cooperation. And thank you for your visionary leadership, which was instrumental to laying the foundation of a bright future for Fermilab and the field worldwide.